I'm gonna give you.
Come on.
A person, place, or animal.
Hey, man. We're gonna get in trouble, man.
Go, go, go.
Oxen.
There.
Toga. Down. Toga. Toga. There you go.
We have no time, okay? So you guys gotta answer all, okay? Next, Nelson. You gotta go, Nelson. Guys, what color do you like? Red? Okay, red. Okay, take. 2-0. Okay, red. You picked that, huh? We need another captain, please. Okay, Sister Bing, the males, quick, John.
Lane white.
What color, girls? Blue. There's purples.
Purple's a good color. Oh, brother, you're always ready for this game. Are you enjoying it? Yes! I'm enjoying it.
Okay, here you go. Go. It's a letter O, it's an object.
Wait, you and Violet?
Yeah. It's an object, okay? Go.
Ano sabi mo? Mali! It's Color TV! Color TV! She said Color TV.
Antena!
Color TV. Color TV. It's not. No. Oh, guys. It's an object, okay? Again, it's an object. Come on, girls. There you go. There you go.
Get out of the way!
Radio! Speaker!
Okay, one more.
Boom boom. No, 5 natin.
Okay.
5 natin.
Green.
Come on, girls, you can do this.
What is
it? What is it?
It's a
It's a plant. It's a green plant.
Ay, pinalitan.
Oh, no, we're cheating.
Ay, hindi nila alam.
Bisa nyo. Oras na.
Wala, namili.
Hindi na lang going.
Okay. It's difficult. So,
Difficult.
okay, you gotta guess.
Girl! Ano ba yan?
Eto, blue. It's an object. Go.
Blue. Object.
She said it first. First. It's not first. Stop. Okay. No more time notes. I think the males win. We have no more time. Okay. Fernando po. Nakita si Fernando po sa labas. Ha? Okay, give the gifts.
Oh, we just gotta go through this Magano ako sa mali yung drawing niya eh.
Okay, bibigyan namin kayo ng dalawa. Para fair, okay? Now, read some time notes habang tinatawag ko si Fernando po and Sharon. Where's the lab notes? Okay, sister.
To Brother Al, I meant what I said. What do you say?
Which Al?
Just as Al, which Al?
Ako yata yun eh.
To Brother Angel, I love the way you walk, talk, smile, laugh, and most of all you. Sign long lost To the girl wearing the black skirt and yellow and black shirt. I think I read all these. Anyone else have those questions?
Uy, love no?
Anyone else have those notes?
To the guy in the olive shirt and black pants. I'd like to get to know you better. P.S. Try to guess who I am.
It's legal.
Always, my initials, S.B.S.
To Michael Fernandez, is Margie Feliciano your girlfriend? Be honest. Just say yes or no. You can answer the question. Is she your girlfriend?
Yes.
Who's that? Oh, you broke up? Oh, okay, so you're real. Oh, really? Someone's requesting you to sing.
Let's roll it. Let's go on. Michelle Moneta. Michelle Moneta. Kuno. Michelle Moneta. Where's Fernando po? Where's there? Hindi, mamaya papasok ka sa koro. Okay, start, brother. Okay.
Sige tayo, yay! Hindi naman ikaw yun eh.
Kahit konti lang daw, konti lang.
Kapatid ko ba yan? Nagtamal ni Sharon. Sabi na kayo bulaklak?
Kahit konting
Ronaldo po.
nang ligaya dahil sa
ayusin mo yung patilya mo. Yung patilya mo, natatanggal na. Ba't ang layo nyo? Bakit daw mo ng pangis? Bakit daw mo ng pangis?
Magkakatuluyan kayo niyan.
Nagagalit yun doon.
Meron mo na, meron mo.
Tinatawa mo.
Kahit konting dahil sa kaway mahal ko.
Lapit ka po nasa ng panyo.
Konting pagtingin. Ipit yung kamay ko rito.
Wala nakikita mo ah. Kahit konting halik daw.
Listen, may dialogue kami.
Kasalanan mo to eh, maaga kang pinanganak.
Eh, ikaw huli ka namin, pinanganak. So, abangan nyo sa next second Friday of September. Okay? So, thank you very much for your participation. And we need the officers to help us clean the